Oh, today's going to be a fun one. I finally managed how to figure out how to get the selfie stick to be invisible, and that is to kind of put it at this angle, which somebody who has worked with cameras for a hot minute seems a little bit counterintuitive to capture this. So I have two microphones on the go because one is connected to my DJI 360 and the other one is connected to my Action 5. What is the hold up? I feel like at this point I could literally just put it up into neutral and just waddle along. I'm just waddling along right now. Which brings us nicely into the whole point of this video. Ooh, it's a Ford F-150. This is 2009? But yeah, the entire point of this video is I saw something in Morrisons which I kind of want and or need. I just need a way to affix it to the bike. But because traffic is traffic, it's going to be a minute until we get there. Hopefully my 360 camera doesn't overheat this time like it did last time. You know, I'm just going to weave in and out of the cars here. I feel like it's going to be a little bit quicker than sort of waiting. I also need to take some bags into Morrisons as per usual. So, as a safety precaution, Insta 360, you are coming with me. Let's see if you've overheated yet. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Here it is. Okay. I'm gonna get it. I wanna get this one. It might come out. Ah, there we go. I will never not remember to take this dang lock off the bike again. Hey, it looks good on the back of that bike, you know? I'm a little pal. Giant duck. I had to, you know. Call me a child, call me what you will. I am happy with my purchase. That is the best £15 I have ever spent. Tell you what, that's a lie. I got a pair of Vans for £15, but that is because I was given like Vans vouchers. Oh, wrong key. Where's the key for? There it is. That one. It's not that one, it's this one. I've got so many keys on my keychain, it's not even funny. Sorry, Duck. I'm already assaulting you and I've only just got you. My plan is to put this little guy, well, not so little guy, in here for now, because this is the only justifiable way I can transport him. Hey, you got a big brother now there, look. Hopefully there's no rivalry going to happen. There you go. shrouded in darkness. Why am I breathing so loud? Oh my goodness. I'm so self-aware of that now. After listening to my audio from previous videos, I am so self-aware that I'm breathing insanely loudly right now. Maybe I'm just excited that I have a new addition to the Duck Squad. I'm tempted to rename my channel to Ducky Adventures. I don't know. Because I've always got a duck somewhere. If it's on my socks, if it's on the handlebars. Oh, you know what? I actually forgot to do something. Taking this camera with me, just because I don't trust this area. The batteries are in here. I need to put the batteries into the used battery receptacle, which I don't know where it is. I think it's down here. I also wanted to get a shower cap, but I couldn't find any. Printer cartridges, disposable vapes. Where's the... Oh, found it! That's it. That's the last of them. Okay, now we can get back to where we were. Why am I like this? I ask myself that every single time I go on a ride. But why am I like this? I'm just going to double clap again to make sure we're still in sync. This is attached properly. Yep. Alright, let's get going. Now I need a name for this duck. First person to comment a name for this duck, that will be their name. A sensible name. I'm tempted to call my bike lock Forget-Me-Not, because I need to stop forgetting to take it off my wheel. Ooh, the time I'm recording this is the day just before the US Independence Day. So to any of my US viewers out there, I hope you had a good one. I hope you were safe with fireworks and all. I personally am not a big fan of Independence Day because of how it came to be, but I'm not going to get political here. Had to get my leg over the bike then because Ducky was in the way. So yeah, Ducky is why I was waddling with the bike earlier. Careful there. I cannot see diddly squat past this van. Is it going to be safe for me to go? No, it's not. Good lord. Alright, so we're heading home. All I wanted to do was get a duck. Thank you for watching. QR code is going to be at the top left. Scan that if you're watching on a TV to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep the rubber side down. Love ya.